Today we're in Devil's Den State Park and we're going to be hiking the Devil's Den State Park Trail. It is 1.5 miles.
So one thing about Devil's Den State Park is you don't just want to run and not pay attention where you're going. They have the trails marked closely. You see, like right here, they want you to stay on the left of this because there's just huge crevices on the side. Children, you're not supposed to go past this. That's what this was for. I'm sure there was a sign there that said that. Wesley, get down on the trail.
But it looked like people walked all around it.
Look at this down in here. So you definitely want to watch your step.
Whoa, that's deep.
Look at the mountain view on the other side. Beautiful, beautiful. This rock formation is so cool. It looks like Indian cliff dwellings or something.
You gotta be careful though, you can step down and stuff, and next thing you know, there's 100-foot.
So the kids had found a cave.
And Hannah found the cave actually.
Hannah found the cave. And that just, ooh, that goes in there.
Do you feel the cold air blowing out though?
It's my air conditioning.
Beautiful. So beautiful. Here's another lookout spot on the trail.
Mama,
This is to go down that.
how? Yeah, we okay.
No, these actually go down in there, yeah.
Those are your cave? Daddy, if you look back there in that corner, there's like a little strip of light on the ground.
Yeah.
And so isn't it cool? It's actually really big. Oh yeah, guys. I also want to.
See through the bars.
Definitely a legit.
I'm sure it is. That's why they have it barred off.
So cold back here.
Here's another cave on the trail that we found. Looks like it goes in there far ways.
That's exactly.
Feel the cold air coming up out of it.
Oh.
Like 40 degrees cold.
It is. So there's a cave down there and the cold air is just wafting up. Ooh. See it down there. So I'm standing in here in between the rocks. There's a cave opening directly in front of me. And the cold air is coming out and it's got to be like 20 degrees colder than it is on the trail.
It's ice down here.
It is ice. There is a gorgeous waterfall here. I don't know if you can see it. Here we go. I didn't even know this waterfall was here at Devil's Den State Park. I'm around the bend and the hiking trail. I'm like, wow, look at this. It is beautiful and it cascades all the way down. It just keeps going and going and going and going. We're nearing the end of the trail. And we're gonna follow, what's the name of this creek?
Lee Creek.
Lee Creek. Devil's Den State Park has so much to offer. Come check it out for yourself.